everyone. Class 11, subject business study, chapter 6. Chapter 6. Okay. Topic: concept of social responsibility. So, social responsibility. So under this concept, we are discuss the concept of social responsibility. So concept of social responsibility. Under this concept, we are taking a following example. Infosys company, Reliance Industries या Wipro, Reliance Industries run a education NGO. Reliance Industries run a education NGO. So it also working regarding social responsibility, right? It also working regarding social responsibility and upliftment in education area regarding weak and poor students. Next point, या next company जैसे Wipro या Infosys, again further this company run a education NGO. So again it is also helpful in social responsibility regarding education welfare. Okay. So following points we will start, we will discuss on your screen. So point number first, long-term interest of the firm. Point first, long-term interest, long-term interest of the firm means by the help of social responsibility of company or firm connect with the employee in a positive manner regarding provide a positive working environment, provide a sufficient supporting instruments regarding computers, printers, etc. So it also helpful in a working area and it directly affect the employee performance. So it also build a long-term relationship between employee and employer. Okay, so long-term interest of the firm. Point second, avoidance of government regulation. Avoidance या avoid government regulation. Sometimes government policies are not bounded in a social welfare activities. In a social welfare activities. So in this point, if a business fail to meet the social responsibility, so voluntarily, then government may interfere and enact suitable like government legislation and restriction. Next point, availability of business resources or availability of resources with business. So point number third, availability of resources business. So under this point, all necessary resources provided by organization, any company, any institution to an employee regarding to achievement of goal. Okay, so availability of resources with business. Clear? Point number third. Next point, helpful in public या social welfare by different types of NGO are run in this category. So point 4, first, long-term interest of the firm. Second, avoid government regulation. Third, availability of resource to business. Helpful in social welfare. Next point, better environment for doing business. Point number 5, better environment doing business means proper working condition provided by the employer. Proper working condition provided या proper sufficient resources provided by the employer to employees. So it is also helpful in increasing a business performance. Okay. Next, converting problem into opportunities. Next point, converting problems into opportunities. Converting problems into opportunity. It is a common saying that risk is normal course of activity in a business, but it also earn a profit from this business. Okay, so 5 to 6 point regarding concept of social responsibility. So point number 5, build a long-term interest of the firm. Yeah, create a long-term interest of the firm means create a long-term interest between among the employee and employer. Second, avoid government regulation regarding social welfare. Third, availability of resources with business. Point number 4, helpful in social welfare regarding different activities, education welfare, health checkup, employment welfare. Okay, so different types of example are included in this point. Better environment doing business, better environment condition provided by employer to employee. So it also increase employee performance. 6, converting problems into opportunity. And last, holding business responsible for social problems. Yeah, convert into again opportunities. Okay. So concept of social responsibility.